I'm still not hitting big, but that's cool. That hit a jackpot. Come on. Oh shoot. Come on. 750. Let's do it.
Oh my God.
27. All the way down. 37. Come on. One more set. We need it. 750. Come on. Let's go to 1250 real quick. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, I got it.
Oh, beautiful. 250 bucks. 125, 120. That's 500.
I know.
5, 6, 7.
Give it to me, girl. Right. 10 cents. Oh, we need those so badly. Come on. Wow. $2.79. She is good. That machine is rocking.
Come on, come back out. Come back out.
Rocking.
Reach it. Oh, big.
Oh, that's big. That's a
big.
jackpot.
That's big right there. Yeah. I don't think it's a jackpot, but it's big.
$10. What's that? A couple hundred? Well, we don't know. Okay, $5 bet, $2.79. Let's get the 988 someday soon. Lots of twos, please. 20. Oh, come on. Come on. 44. Oh. Come on, one more. I got it. Oh, yeah. I'll take that any day. $20.
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Roasted Creek Casino. The Feathers of Fortune promotion will be starting very soon. Be sure to activate your virtual entries by inserting your one-cup at a slot machine or promotional kiosk. 3 lucky winners will be announced in a half hour.
That's really good, guys. Those are worth 70.
Change their fortune.
I want to drop that major. Let's drop it. Drop the baby. Minor major. Okay. Come on. Let's get it. That took a long time. 2 more. Come on. Here we go. Where's the horsey music? Come on. That's it. All right. But these are the ones that are saving me. In. The minor is only 50, but hey guys, I don't care. I got it on a $5 bet. So 50, 120, probably 125. Can we get more? Come on. Okay. Nice. 150. Let's see if we can get all our money back. Oh yeah, nice. Let's do it. I think we need to get the $20,000 grand. Or the $977 major. Are we ready for the horsey music? I am. Come on, guys. Oh, that's nice. Let's go. Come on, one. You want to fill it up. Tammy needs 20 grand. Oh, you're so tough. Go. Here we go. I'm glad I came over here. We love you. Nice job. Look at that. All right. Oh, pretty. Whoa, guys. Is that gorgeous? Even Steven. It's so asymmetric. No, not asym. It's symmetrical. 102. Wow. How about another one? Oh, come on. One more. Wasn't that pretty? That was pretty, guys. Oh, baby. I love it. It's time to get a jackpot. fast. I actually want to get in, oh wow, on a higher Denom, but that's okay. We might get that major. 977 would be great. That's, come on, we got it. Oh God, am I glad I came over. Nice. Let's get the 977. 977, let's go. Go. Nice, come on. Give me the major, green. Green is a beautiful color. Come on, let's go. Get it. One more. One more, and we have some extra spins. Ah, darn. But hey, guys, I love it. We got in. Nice. Thank you. All right. So far, we have $100. This is doing well at a $5 bet. Man. 3 more. Can we re-trigger? Oh, we want 3. Oh, no. Did you see that? Blocked. Oh, blocked. Oh. But 103 is good. Oh, I want that. Kim? Let's do another one. Come on. I think we should change our Denom. I'm ready. Aren't you? Try 5. Come on. Come on. Come on. 10. One more 10. One more 10. No. Oh, one more by accident. That. Okay, let's do it. It wouldn't get in at $1 or 10 cents. Come on, re-trigger. We need a re-trigger. Oh. Come on, come on. Oh, look at the block. Okay, guys, $40. That's really low. I just signed up for the drawing, so I just came back. Okay, we're doing a $5 bet. Doesn't look good. All right. Now. All right. I think we're going to pull out one $10 bet. Oh, it's not back in at $2.50 at a 10-cent denom. Love it. I had 2 cents before. So the biggest we have right now is $12.50. Can we get more? Come on. That's 25. Come on, baby. Let's do another 25. Oh, you bet. Thank you. Thanks for holding mine. Another one. Oh, okay. How about that Percy music? Come on, baby. All right, we're ready. Now I hit the Talayla. I hit the grand on a $2.50 bet, 10-cent denoms. Last spin. Can we get it? I got it. Okay. One more. Let's do it. 20,000 in my hand. Come on, baby. One more. Usually they show right away. Come on, go, go, go. Nope. So the biggest is that. 10 cents in on $2.50 bet. Nice. One more. 10. Take it down. No, I don't think so. Okay, let's go to 1. Let's do it. got in. Last bin, 0. Ran out of money.
Zero.
But look at what she got. Awesome. Let's do it. She got 130. Neighbor just called and she also got it.
You have 3 minutes to
She's
make
a
your way to
winner. $2 and a $10 bet. Just once. She's in at $10. Wow. Nice.
And thanks for promotion for 4 p.m. Our next promotion is coming up at 4:30. Good luck.
Come on, one more of those. Let's do a 10. Come on. Oh, this is pretty dead. Been dead, but I got 22. Let's see if I can get a little bit more. Come on, come on. Give me 6 or... Okay, 11. Come on now, we need it. Come on. Oh. Come on, baby. Look at that. 250. Nice. Okay, let's go. Yeah, give her the major. Oh, how wonderful. That one's a good one. Oh. Look at this, guys. Oh, she's doing great. Come on. Oh, nice. Good. Give her major. Good. Oh, wow. This could be it, guys. She's got a lot of money there. 300 just with the minor. Let's go. Done. Wow. It was so beautiful. I love it. Yeah. Oh, I know. So it's going to be great. Amazing. 600. That is awesome. She's doing great. 100, not a thousand. She's hitting all the time, but she's trying different denoms constantly. Smart girl. Come on. All right, go. Here, go. No? Come on. I can't get in. It's dead. Wow. Go to 750. Nope. 5. Wow. Oh, wow. So here she is. She's doing great, though. She keeps getting in. That bigger bet. Yeah, yeah. Nice. That's the one that I hit my best one on. At a 2-cent denom. She got in at $1 denom. Ooh, the minor would be a jackpot. See what she did. Oh. Too bad, huh? Okay, what'd she get? 128. Okay, there we go. That's good. What's that? 200? 528. Oh my God, guys. She's doing great. Come on, give me one more. Okay. Can we get one more, please? Come on, it's not going to do it. Nope. That took forever. I'm down to 400. She's doing great over there. I'm happy for her. All right, the minor is 250. We need that minor. Let's go. Come on. We need the major. Come on, let's go. All right, give me that green major. Come on. Last one. Let's go. Okay, good. Come on, let's go. One more. Horsey music. Come on. Come on. Last one. Okay. One more. I would love to get it. Come on, baby. Come on, go. Don't even see it. it right there. No. We needed that 20,000. She's in at 5 again. Penny. Amazing. She's smart. She moves around in Denoms. Different Denoms. This isn't much, darn it. Okay, we got something. Okay, here we go. Come on, baby. Okay, let's go to 250. Oh, that's pretty, isn't it? Beautiful. Come on, let's get those volcanoes. Volcanoes. Okay. Try this. Come on. Try 10 cents. Oh, we need those so badly. Wow, she got it again. $10. $2.79. She is good. That machine is rocking.
Come on, come back out. Come back out.
Rocking.
Retrigger. Oh, big.
Oh, that's
big.
That's a
big.
jackpot.
It's big right there. Yeah. I don't think it's a jackpot, but it's big. Oh, it is a jackpot.
Jackpot,
Shit.
guys.
Damn.
Wow.
That's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Yes, it is.
Beautiful.
I knew it was coming. You could feel it.
Oh.
Come on. One more.
Yeah.
Right there.
Oh, right there.
All right, we got it. Nice job. Beautiful. I know I need it, man. Come on, let's get the minor, major. She got a jackpot over there, 1,300. Congratulations, young lady.
Thank you, thank you.
And her name was drawn in the drawing.
Congratulations to you too.
Come on, let's get it. I need a lot. It took me down right there. Oh, 2,000 right now. And the major.
Oh, minor.
Minor. Oh, I forgot about the minor. Oh, the minor. Okay, this is it, guys. Blue. Oh, it didn't do it. Oh, darn it. All right, so about 100. Jackpot, and I got this. Thank goodness. Let's go. One more. Okay, let's see. $2. Not doing that.
Oh, yeah.
$1. Take it back. Let's go.
Thank
All right.
you.
Go to 10. Well, I'm still not hitting big, but that's still that hit a jackpot. Come on. Oh, shoot. Come on. 750. Let's do it.
Oh my God.
27. All the way down. 37. Come on. One more set. We need it. 750. Come on. Let's go to 1250 real quick. Come on. Oh, I got it.
Oh, beautiful. 250 bucks. 125, 120. That's 500.
I know.
5, 6, 7.
Give it to me, girl.
You got like 800 bucks right there. That's a hit there. I told you you're gonna hit.
Well, we hope we are. Let's do it. Let's do it. Come on, another big one.
800 on the board right now.
We need a little bit more. Come on.
Come on.
How about the minor or the major?
I don't know what it's
Yeah. Oh, please. Oh, darn. That's good. We got something. It really is. You're teaching me a lot, sweetie.
Are you taking me
Yeah, 5, right? 5. Okay. That's what I got. I needed it, man.
To make your way to the promotional area, 930-170-408. And our third lucky winner, Gary Templeton. Card number 918-981-224.
One more.
Brittany Macaulay, Selena Gus Trayor,
We wanted it.
and Gary Templeton. You
Number
have 3
15.
minutes to make your way to
Come on.
the promotional area.
I know.
Located at the main east entrance.
Come on, baby.
25 once. Come on, it's not going to do it. Of course it won't. Come on, back down. Naughty. 5 cents. So I got 9. Let's see if I can get in. I'm not seeing the volcanoes, guys. I want to see the volcanoes. There's a 6.25. Here's a 12.50. Come on. No, it's not doing it. Okay. Boy, it was good. I went up to the dollar, right, guys? Uh-oh, it's not hitting anything. 3.75 in stock. Let's try $10. Oh, 30. $10 bet, 2 cents. I would love to get in. Come on. Come on, one more. Nope, go down to 5. Oh, I love it. She got it on a penny. Nice job. That machine is loving her. Try, come on, $3. Come on, one more. We're not getting the volcanoes and we want those. Wow. So just got 161.
We have some numbers of
One more, girl.
You're going to start on the bottom.
Okay.
You're going to select
haven't gotten any fireballs. You got fireballs.
If you find
Yeah.
a dollar sign, you're going to win a prize.
I wish that butterfly was here.
Oh, yeah.
That would be good.
Oh, wow. 130. Let's try 6. Oh, it's just not doing it. Darn it. I would love
Come on, give
to
me
get
the
something on 6.
minor, major, minor,
12.50,
major.
please.
Minor, major, major. Good.
10. Yeah. Come on. One more. Oh, doesn't do it. Okay, go down. Oh, no. That's not going down. Okay, this is dead again. I'm going to have to go, guys. Darn it. Oh, look at the 250. Oh, wow. Come on. Come on. One more. Just not good. I wonder what she's in it.
Major. Come on, major. Major,
Oh,
major.
this is it.
Oh
This
my
could be
God,
it.
please.
This could be it. This could be
Please.
it, guys.
Once in my life. Just once in my life.
Once in a
Come on. Once in my life. Come on. Once in my life. Come on.
That's beautiful.
Not my life.
That's well over. Oh, wow. That's great. That's 200 plus. 200 plus. That machine is lovely.
It's doing good tonight.
It is doing good. Wow, guys. Nice.
Oh, come
One
on.
more. Come on.
Retrigger.
All right. 260, guys.
Not
Two
bad.
just left. And on a 1 cent, I got in. It's not huge on a 250 bet. Let's fill her up. We got a 50. Come on. Come on, baby. Let's go. Oh, another 50. Wow. Let's take another 50, please. Yeah, she was great to play with. She had a jackpot. She's playing all kinds of bets. 20, 10. This is cool, guys. Boy, this machine is rocking. Brian, this is the one you were playing. Another 50. Wow. Wow. Okay, minor. 50. Come on, let's go, guys. Go. Let's get one more. Fill them up. How about 2 more? Go. Smack it. Okay, guys, that's great. 150. Wow. 200. I'll take it. Wow. It's 1 cent enough. Lovely. This machine is on fire. On fire. Wow. 262. Isn't that amazing? Now, right after that, she goes into a different denom. So that's the machine. So I got over $200 off of it. Okay, let's go to, we got 625. Let's go to 1250 once. Nope, it's dead. I'm going to go back to mine. Boy, was that fun. It was so fun. So cool. Another denom. Let's check it out. Couple of 5s. No, how about a 10? Oh, too bad. Wouldn't that have been beautiful? So naughty. Okay, we're gonna pull off of this. We tried. It was fun, wasn't it? Let's go to 10. Hit the 250. Yeah, it's not a volcano one at all.
What a keeper! Hold on. Sorry, guys. I just have COVID. It's okay. Don't worry. Oh, you didn't have the COVID? Oh, there we go. Somebody brought me cake. Thank you. You're amazing. Thank you. Thank you. They brought me cake. Napkins? Yes, please. Yeah, absolutely. Somehow. There we go.